Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. So as you will have seen from the title, today I've got another polygel kit to show you all. Savvyland have kindly gifted me this kit. I'm assuming that they either work with this company or they are the same company. But either way, I'm very excited because if you saw my last polygel video, I was literally over the moon with the diamond polygel I tested from Savvyland. It's really beautiful and I'm actually currently wearing it on my ring finger there. On my other fingers, I'm currently using this one, which is a clear polygel. I got this off Amazon because I was looking for Model 1's clear, as that got recommended to me by Unpolished by Aggie, but I couldn't find it singly and I didn't want to buy a whole entire kit of polygel. So I chose this one as it had really good reviews and I'm actually really happy with it. Unfortunately, I did have a bit of a problem where it had leaked in transit, and when it arrived it was in a bit of a mess. I've obviously lost quite a lot of the polygel. The box was very messy, the whole thing was very sticky, and yeah, that was a bit of a bad situation. But yeah, so far I'm really happy with this one. And yeah, it's a bit unfortunate. I have tried sort of melting the top of it back together to sort of seal it, but when I was using it, it re-popped, so I need to get it into a new pot. But regardless of the mess that come in, it is actually a really good polygel and I do actually really like it. It's very clear. And yeah, that's currently what I've got on my other fingers right now. But anyways, this kit I got here is a 6-piece set. I'll pop a picture up on the screen now so you can see it. As you can see, it's a very sort of pinky based set. You got like 3 opaque colours and then you've also got 3 glitter ones with it as well. I believe all in 15mm tubes, and yeah, I'm very excited to test them out and see how they are. So let's crack on and open this up. So just like before, packaged all cutely with all the sort of crinkly things. We haven't got any leaflets or user guides in this one, but that's fine. I'm not fussed about that at all. Like I said, we've got 6 tubes here. They're 15 grams each. They all have the ingredients on the back of them, which is fantastic. We all like products with ingredients on the back. And yeah, I always like the packaging. It comes in a very cute little box that's magnetic and snaps back on its own, which I do appreciate. I do love good packaging. So we've got this one here, which is number 08. Doesn't actually look like this one has a name, but it's part of the diamond polygel range. It looks like it's quite a sheer sort of pink. We got this one here, which is Diamond Silver DP07. This one here, which is SY13 Pink Mauve. And then we've got this one here, which is called Starlight Fill DP03. I believe this is the same one that I got from my Savvyland polygel kit. We've got number 07, which is part of the Diamond polygel kit again, but no name to it. And then we've got this one here, which is Diamond Pink DP09. So I did have a pink diamond one from the Savvyland collection in my last video, but I believe that was DP05, so I think this one's going to be a bit different. But yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it all up. I've got my clear swatch sticks ready. I'm going to swatch them all, see what the consistency's like, how easy they are to apply, how they look and everything. Yeah, I'll get back to you at the end and see what my thoughts are. Okay, so we go, that is all the swatches. I know the swatches are a bit dodgy and you can see some air bubbles, but I'm still learning. This is very, very, very new to me, this polygel. But considering how new I am to it, I do really get on with the stuff. I think it's brilliant. Look how clear that one is. I didn't know I was getting clear, but I'm over the moon about that. If you got told you could only have like one colour of acrylic or one type of polygel, etc. for the rest of your life, what would you pick? Let me know down in the comments below, because I think I would go for clear, just because you can encapsulate with clear and you can also obviously do your extensions in clear, and it just provides more options. I think that's definitely what I'd pick, but like the clear is really impressive actually. I really like that, and I'm really happy that I've got a clear. I absolutely love this pink mauve as well. That is such a beautiful colour, and the sparkly ones, like I have already got that one there, but I'm not complaining because it's really beautiful. And the other sparkly ones are lovely, and I'm not a big fan of the pink, but that's just me. I'm not really much of a pink person, but it is still nice and I would still use it. But yeah, I love the consistency again. It's just so easy to work with, it applies beautifully, and it's so beginner friendly, and I just don't think you can fault polygel really. It's just absolutely bang on. And this particular brand, Saviland VRENMOL, is it called? I'm not entirely sure how you pronounce that one, but yeah, I definitely can't fault these at all, and I think they're well worth every single penny for sure. But yeah, I'm over the moon with that clear, and yeah, I think that purple sort of pink mauve one is definitely my favourite. But yeah, I love this kit, and I'm really, really, really chuffed that I've got this now. And polygel really is becoming like a new favourite. Like I said in my new video, it's a complete game changer. But yeah, seriously couldn't fault them in any way, shape or form. I love them, I think they're brilliant, and yeah, I can't wait to build up my collection. I keep seeing the Saviland colour gels in loads of bright vibrant colours, and I really want to get my hands on some of them at some point and try them out because they look amazing, and I can't resist. I need them in my life. So yeah, that's my little review today. Super happy with them, and I am really loving polygel. I think it's fantastic stuff, and yeah, obviously no monomer smell and all that icky stuff. Like I've got used to acrylic. I don't really think polygel was a thing when I first started doing nails. I've obviously got used to acrylic, now I went on to build gel for a while, which is good stuff, but polygel is the one for sure. Nice and easy, quick, smell free, can't go wrong. I use IPA with it. I don't have no slip solution, but I use my IPA and it works wonders, and yeah, very happy. So I hope you all have enjoyed this little sort of unboxing review type thing. I certainly have. Loving polygel. I've probably said that about 100 times now, but yeah, loving polygel. And I'm sure you guys will too if you haven't already tried it. I definitely recommend it, especially if you're a beginner. And yeah, that's that. Thank you again, Saviland or VRENMOL. I can't pronounce that, but yeah, thank you. I really do appreciate being sent this to try out. I do really love it, and yeah, big thumbs up for me. So much love everyone. Hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.